Hello children, welcome back to the computer class. Today let us see the computer memory. In that one, secondary memory. In the last class, we came to know about the memory size, bit, bytes, KB, GB, MB like this, and computer memory. Computer memory is two types, primary and second. Primary is internal memory, again is divided into RAM, ROM, and secondary memory is on external memory. Let us see and study detail about that.
Secondary memory is external memory that stores program and data for future usage. It is also known as auxiliary memory. It is not directly accessed by the CPU. The secondary storage has a much larger storage capacity. Some types of secondary memory are hard disk, CD, DVD, flash drive, memory cards. Let us see in detail. Hard disk, which is usually installed in the computer's system unit. Through these are removable or external hard disk also available. These can store a large amount of data such as 320 GB, 500 GB, up to 1 TB or even more. Next is external hard disk. It is a portable device that can be attached to a computer through USB cable. External hard disks typically have high storage capacities and are often used to back up huge amount of data from computer. The storage capacity typically ranges from less than 100 gigabytes to more than 1 terabytes TB. Next, CD, compact disc. A CD is inserted into the computer disk drive, CD drive of computer, and it has a storage capacity of 700 MB. Next is DVD, digital versatile disc. DVD, digital versatile disc. It is similar to a CD, but it has storage capacity of 4.7 GB to 17 GB. A DVD disc ROM is needed to read a DVD.
USB flash drive. Flash drive comes in various storage capacities such as 1 GB, 2 GB, up to 256 GB of data it can hold. It is used to read, write, delete or transfer the data. To use a flash drive, a USB port is needed in a computer. A USB flash drive is a rewritable storage device. It is popularly known as a pen drive. It is plugged directly into a computer through USB port. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Depending on the USB flash drive, it can hold from 1 GB to 256 GB of data. USB flash drives come in all different shapes and sizes. Memory card. Memory card is called a storage device using for storing digital device. These are commonly used in many electronic devices including digital cameras, mobile phones, laptop, computer, tablets, MP3 players. Storage capacity of the memory card is 1 GB to 128 GB of data.